Do you know what is happening to the oil in this video? It's producing smoke. This means that the oil has reached its smoke point and food cooked in such oil is highly unhealthy. But why? Well, when an oil is heated beyond its smoke point, it leads to polymerization. In this process, the oil turns into liquid plastic and free radicals are released, which makes the oil highly hazardous to consume. That is why I choose oils with higher smoke points like sunflower, sesame, groundnut, coconut and mustard for deep, shallow and pan frying. Whereas you can use extra virgin olive oil, walnut, almond or flaxseed oil for low heat applications or salad dressings because these oils have low smoke points. Please note that refined oils have higher smoke points as compared to cold pressed oils because they are already processed at high temperatures along with dangerous chemicals and preservatives. Just imagine the level of polymerization that has happened because of heating them beyond their smoke point. To avoid this, it is best to cook your food at low heat using cold pressed oils with high smoke points to keep you and your family healthy and safe.